Hey, so if Zen Browser keeps freezing, becoming unresponsive, or locking up while you browse, yeah, that can make using the browser really frustrating. Usually the issue comes from memory overload, extensions, or corrupted settings. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zen Browser freezing issues step by step. Alright, first, close Zen Browser completely using Task Manager or force quit if it's frozen. Now restart your computer to clear temporary system glitches and memory problems. Too many open tabs can overload RAM and cause the browser to freeze randomly. Some browser extensions may conflict with Zen Browser and trigger freezing problems. Corrupted cache files can slow the browser down and eventually cause freezing. Graphics driver issues linked to hardware acceleration can also freeze the browser during scrolling or video playback. Make sure you're running the latest version because updates often include stability fixes. Open Task Manager and check if CPU or RAM usage is extremely high while Zen Browser is running. If freezing still continues, reinstall Zen Browser completely to remove corrupted files or settings. And yeah, that's it. These fixes usually solve most Zen Browser freezing problems and help restore smooth browsing performance.